Hello dears, welcome on Profit Monitoring channel. I'm glad to see to everyone. Thank you for everyone for support us. Yeah, finally I'm find the passive income project. Yeah, the web project name 800trx.com. Yeah, this is their web page. You see it. It's very easy and uh, clean. Okay, easy and simple project. We are made a lot of promotion, a lot of review of such type of projects. Yeah, it's the easy and workable, one of the workable projects in the world. Be careful of the scamming projects. So which projects we are personal advice to you. This is the official projects, official products of uh, traders, so you can believe in us and make the investment in this project. We would like to talk about the global partners: Wazers, Bitmain, Binance, Genesis Mining, CoinMind. This is their general project partners, global partners. After that, you will sign up, you will sign in and create the account. You will see some deposit in your balance. It's the present, it's a little present for you. Okay, so let's see the how it works. You see the QR code, it's your address. You see here, copy your you can send the funds to this address by clicking the copy address and send funds to this address, or just scan QR code and send the funds in your balance and push the button recharge. Yeah, for example, I would like to send some funds in. Yeah, on your ICE, I transferred 50 Tron to this address. I just wanted to show how it works, so I made it. Yeah, after a few minutes you will see the transaction and see the I would like to check my wallet. Yeah, let's see the withdrawal. It's on processing. We are waiting the deposit. Okay, let's talk about other features of the project. You see two wallets of the project. One of them is your account, and the other of your promotion wallet. You see it. This project is mining, cloud mining project located in Sri Lanka. You see it's the island Sri Lanka. It has been mine for 3 years, and it's open in 2021. You see it very well project. The team in every such type of project you see the 3 levels. It's your referral links, the referrals. I would like to check the wallet again. Yeah, it's completed. Now you see the balance is updated. Now I have the funds on your eyes. I will transferred funds from my wallet to this address. Now you see my wallet. Push the button, recharge completed. Tron deposited to this address, recharge any number of Tron, activate the account and open the withdrawal function. Yeah, you see, recharge it. Yeah, deposit is recharged. So now I'm waiting for withdrawal to this address. I can withdraw funds from promotion address, account and basic account. This is my phone number. Yeah, for example, to this address, and I will transfer automatically. You see the daily withdrawal limit for me, balance, and push the button confirm to withdraw passive income and your profit directly to your wallet. It's very easy. The app, share, it's your referral link, generated the link, copy link. This is my ID number. If you wanna to create a new address, new account, please use this invitation. So I will have any support from yours to be Tron millionaire. It's how it works, the details. 6% cloud mining is working. 6% accumulated profit, membership, the number of memberships. We are the best, yes. Cloud mining offers a potential cost-effective way of mining for Bitcoins, Tron, and other cryptocurrencies. At the same time, both quantitative trading and DeFi technology will allow you to easily participate in blockchain transactions with a small amount of capital and obtain stable income like insurance. The web page itself, what the common problem. Okay, the language, even Turkish, Arabic, Japanese, German, Korean. Your support team, send message to Telegram, notifications. So just it's the all deposit to this address. You see, I deposited to this balance. The deposit will automatically activate the recharge. Call it the recharge. Recharge will any number of Tron to activate the account and open the withdrawal function. Yeah, we are recharged, we are deposit, and we now have the function of withdraw daily limit, daily profit. Thank you guys. We will find legit projects, legit passive income projects, and we'll share the links with you. Thank you. See you on our next video, next review projects video, and good night to everyone.